Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Saunders to study for NCLEX. First, understand that Saunders is a comprehensive review resource designed to prepare you for the exam. It covers all essential nursing content areas that align with the current test plan. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the book's organization and table of contents to create a clear roadmap for your studies. This foundational step ensures you maximize the over 5,700 practice questions available to sharpen your clinical judgment. When diving into content, prioritize your weakest areas. Saunders provides critical thinking tips and read alert sections that are crucial for understanding key concepts. Remember, the NCLEX focuses on applying knowledge, not just memorizing facts, so strive to truly grasp the material. Don't forget to utilize the companion Evolve website. It offers additional practice questions and tools that can be customized to fit your unique study needs and learning style. Practice questions are vital. Complete the questions at the end of each chapter, and most importantly, thoroughly review the rationales for every answer, whether correct or incorrect. This helps you learn from mistakes and understand the reasoning. Practice various question types, including the challenging select all that apply format. Also, apply test-taking strategies like the ABCs, airway, breathing, circulation, and Maslow's hierarchy of needs to prioritize nursing actions effectively. Develop a consistent study schedule, aiming for 50 to 150 practice questions daily, allowing time to review rationales deeply. Utilize the pre-test and post-test sections in Saunders to gauge your progress and identify areas needing more focus. Regularly review what you've learned and adjust your plan as needed to stay on track. And speaking of lasting quality, check out the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks, known for their lifetime warranty, plus other great deals. Remember, consistent effort and smart review are key to NCLEX success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.